Today, we are going to share you an ultimate recipe of weight loss. Reasons of fatness, intake of more carbohydrates, excess sleeping, late night awaking, not eating at same time, tension, fatty liver, ajwan desi, trachospermum ami, 20 grams, lachdana, shellac, 10 grams musabar sia, aloe vera resin, 20 grams afsantine roomi, Artemisia absinthium, 10 grams naushadar, ammonium chloride, 10 grams kalmi shora, potassium nitrate, 10 grams filfil sia, piper nigrum, 10 grams te patta, cinnamomum tamala, 10 grams kalonji, nigella sativa, 10 grams sanamakki, senna alexandrina, 10 grams ab-e-lemon, citrus lemon juice, 250 grams ab-e-kuargandal, aloe vera gel, 100 grams. Preparation method. Soak all the ingredients except naushadar, kalmi shora, and musabar sia in aloe vera gel and lemon juice until the mixture dries completely. Once dry, add the remaining ingredients, naushadar, kalmi shora, and musabar sia, to the dried mixture. Grind everything thoroughly into a fine powder. Fill the powdered mixture into 500 mg capsules for storage and use. Take 1 capsule daily at night, with warm water. Note: keep all the medicines away from children. Always use medicine under supervision of certified herbal physician.